Fourth unit, Constitutional Features of CNC Machines. 9 topics are given in our syllabus. The first one is numerical control DNC systems. What are numerical control machines or computer numerical control machines? Both are actually same. In early days, when people started to control the machines through some automation techniques, they used number codes. Number codes were used to control the machines. You see the first paragraph. Early numerically controlled machines were fully hardwired machines. Their entire control logic was implemented in hardware with the number codes. That is, there was no involvement of soft computers, no involvement of computing softwares. Fully hardwired machines, that is only electronics, no softwares. Then, what was the device used to input the program and store the program? A tape reader was used for storing and inputting the program. So those machines operated at a very low speed, and tape readers were unreliable also. So people always started to improve that. During mid-60s, after the development of computers, then mini computers were used in controlling the numerical control machines. So that's why the technology was then renamed as computer numerical control. In present days, actually microcontrollers are used in controlling CNC machines. So the descriptions NC and CNC both mean computer numerical control in present days. Some of the advantages of integration of numerical control machines with the computer are given. Increase in memory for part program processing. That is, we write the programs, so the processing is requiring some memory space, as in our mobile phones or in computers. So because of using a computer, we have more memory space available for processing the programs. An increase in capacity for storing large part programs. It is not restricted. Based on the memory capacity of your computer, we can store more programs in your machine. Editing is easier. Realization of control logic through software is possible. Then reliability is improved. So in the early stages of numerical control machines, as mentioned in the last slide, they were unreliable because of tape reader. So now this problem is solved. Then we integrate numerical control machines in the manufacturing system as a whole. See, all processes can be integrated, say purchase, stock, maintenance, scheduling, routing, etc. That we will see in later slides. Direct numerical control, DNC. You see the diagram. One DNC computer is there. It is connected to 4 machines. That means we are controlling all these machines using a computer, which is outside these machines. So that is called a DNC or host computer. So this DNC computer interfaces several numerical control machines, and this DNC computer stores part programs for all machines, and part programs are transferred to the different machines as and when needed. DNC systems are generally designed for 4, 8 or 16 CNC machines, but with LAN, internet or internet concept, more machines can also be connected. So nowadays we have technologies like Internet of Things, I4, etc. So these technologies enlarge the scope of distributed numerical control towards greater extent. That is, we can do it in a very large scale. And CAD/CAM systems are nowadays integrated with your DNC. What are CAD/CAM systems? So it is a broader term which includes design, analysis and many more. So you see the diagram. So the CAD/CAM workstations are connected to the DNC network. DNC computer there, many CNC machines are there. In addition, CAD/CAM workstations are connected. So CAD/CAM workstations now can take care of this writing the part programs or design analysis. Anything is possible. So it gives more control as well as more features. Some objectives of DNC system are given, can go through. Then what are the important functions of DNC? First one is part program management. So we store many programs in your DNC computer. All these programs must be routed to different machines connected to the network. So the program should be routed to the different machines according to the schedule of individual machines. Say the first machine may require a drilling part program, and second machine may require turning part program. So based on the scheduling, so these programs will be given to the, that is passed to the respective machine. Then shop floor editing. So programs is written generally. Suppose we need some specific changes, say due to design change, tool change or machine change, that is possible. Shop floor graphics, that is simulation of tool path, can be done with your DNC system. Data collection is possible for scheduling and monitoring the activities taking place in your shop floor. And very important is shop scheduling. So the numerical control program dispatch is interlinked with the schedule. Therefore, according to the schedule, the operations can be controlled. That is, we are monitoring and doing all these controls. Then statistical process control, tool offset management. So many things are possible in your DNC. So these are all various functions of DNC. And last paragraph is very important. DNC systems are usually Unix, Novel or Windows based. So that we have to keep in mind. Advantages of DNC. The second point, programs can be transferred in full or in segments. The program editing is easier. then there is no limitation on the memory side. Therefore, we can write very lengthy programs as well as large number of programs can be stored in your system. Actually, we need such a very lengthy programs for complicated components like parts used in aircrafts, etc. Then, as we are using computers, we can create the computer-aided part program. Instead of manual program, the computer-aided part program can be implemented. So this is related to the machining side. The next important one is we can use the computer for management side also. That is for production planning, scheduling, etc. Like this, we have many advantages of DNC. Distributed numerical control. Sometimes the abbreviation DNC is used to denote distributed NC also. Actually, it is a very broader one. See, for example, how to control a manufacturing unit using computers. So we need one mainframe computer, DNC host computer, CAD/CAM workstations and CSD machines connected to this. So in large distributed numerical control systems, we have a mainframe computer, that is a server. So this computer actually processes very complicated works required in your machining side. See, for example, in numerical control, data processing and doing complex calculations required for generating data, that is machining data, are done by your mainframe computer, and smaller works can be done by your CAD/CAM workstations, and even very little works can be done at the machine itself. So that is what given there. So the data processing is done at a different hierarchy levels. So very complex works are done by your mainframe computer, and next kind of works are done at CAD/CAM workstations, and still similar works are done at a machine itself. So many of the DNC systems today are in fact distributed processing systems. So brief summary is given. Go through very passionately because you have to distinguish different terms. Some review questions are given. Answer all these questions in your notebook. It will be useful for your examination. And attend quiz in Google Classroom. Then the PPT is prepared such a way that you can listen with some important points, but when you are studying the PDF, you can use it as study materials. So when you study the PDF, read every sentence. When you listen video, note important points. The questions in Google Classroom are given. The slide number is also given. So please prepare and attend the quiz.